Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. Today I'm doing a wash and go. By the title you already know. And on Wednesdays this month, I want to make them wash and go Wednesdays because your girl is really trying to step up her wash and go game. You know, develop a good routine, technique down, and really just step up my wash and goes. That's what I'm going to be doing today. And my product gel of choice, my styler and gel of choice is the Mielle Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. This is my first time using this product. I haven't ever used it, but I've heard nothing but great things about it. So we're gonna go in with this. On my hair now is my leave-in conditioner. I already washed, deep conditioned, and I have my leave-in on my hair. My hair is detangled, moisturized, and nice and neat for me to apply my gel. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, so I'm starting this back section. Put it into smaller sections, and I'm hoping that I don't have to go in over top of this gel with my Wetline Extreme, but y'all know I will if I have to, okay? But my hair is wet, moisturized, that leave-in is in there, and my hair is thoroughly detangled. It smells citrusy. That's what it looks like. It's pretty thick, but also like, I don't know how much hold this is gonna give me, but we'll see. Ooh, hold up, gave me a little definition. Of course I need more, but okay, hold on. Might be doing something. I don't really like the smell. It smells like almost too citrusy for me, but I do like how it is defining my hair. It's actually giving me definition, y'all. Do y'all see that? Yeah, I need more gel in there, but it's giving your girl definition. I'm shocked, especially with, like, I don't know, it's not that thick. Like, the texture and consistency of it is really shocking me that it's actually defining my hair. And I may not need to follow up with my Wetline Extreme. Okay, so as you can see, we have some definition, but we also have a bit of frizz. I'm gonna try and tame this frizz. So I'm gonna section this into an even smaller section and really try and work the gel into my hair. And I'm gonna try that for a minute, and then I'm gonna be back and show y'all whether that worked or not. So give me a minute, I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Okay y'all, so I worked it in a little bit more, but it's still kind of frizzy. So what I'm gonna do is go in with my Wetline Extreme gel just a little bit and just kind of mesh that on top. As y'all can see, that tamed a lot of the frizz. Hopefully it doesn't cause any residue, but I guess we'll find out when I am finished. I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest of my head. And yeah, I'll be back when I have most of my hair done and I only have one more section. So catch y'all in a bit. Hey y'all, so after about an hour, I finally have gotten a groove down, a technique, and finally figured out what combo works best, you know, how this gel actually works and all that. When I tell y'all it's been a struggle, sis, it's literally been a struggle. But we are here. This is what my hair is looking like. And now I'm gonna go ahead in on this section.
before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pain down in a melody, melody. My heart is just another melody. So before I get over you.
Okay, y'all, so I'm finally all done with applying my products. I had to put bobby pins up here. Y'all, I need to just go ahead and order me some of these because, yeah, I only have one. I'll go ahead and give y'all 360. And then next time you see me, my hair should be dry and we should be styling or something like that. So that chaos. So it's the next day and it's about 2 in the afternoon, I believe. But I kid y'all not, I did not finish my hair until 1, the clock said 1:26 a.m. in the morning, okay? And even then, my hair wasn't all the way dry, but it was dry enough to where I could put it up and go to sleep. Because your girl was tired. I didn't have time to just be waiting and, you know, keep on blow drying my hair. So I didn't. And I just tied my hair up like this in this scarf. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it down so we can see what it looks like. I really hope that it looks good. I did notice that my hair felt kind of sticky. I don't know if that was, you know, the gel by itself or because I mixed the Wetline Extreme gel with the styling gel. I don't really know, but my hair felt sticky, especially when I was blow drying it and my fingers were sticky and I was getting like sticky residue on my ears. I had to wipe that off, but hopefully everything is good and ready to go and looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the scarf off and we're gonna see what's happening. All right, I'll tell you one thing, my hair smells really, really good. It has some definition to it. It's crunchier than my last wash and go was. So it's crunchier than that, but I'm gonna take some oil. My favorite oil, you already know. Going in, it's African Pride Moisture Miracle Oil Blend. Take some oil, put it on my hair just to kind of get rid of that hard cast. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just stretch it. I attempted to do that last night, but I guess my hair was too wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it so that it, you know, it hangs because it's kind of drawn up. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it real quick and then I'll be back and we'll see what it's looking like. All right, y'all, so I just finished stretching my hair out with my blow dryer. It's all stretched out. I did stretch out the back more than the front just because I wanted it to lay kind of like layered because I'm used to just stretching it out to one length and it's all one length. But I wanted to see how it framed my face and how it looked like that, and I'm actually feeling it. I really like it. So yes, these are the results of today's Wash and Go Wednesday. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And also, do you guys have any recommendations or any products you would like me to try for next Wednesday's Wash and Go? If you do, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make that happen for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a close-up of what it's looking like. So there is definitely definition there. The styling gel has a lot of hold in my hair, and I'm intrigued and excited to use it again and try it out again, especially now that I know how to use it. It took me a minute, but we got it down. But I'm really feeling this. It looks really cute. It's very fluffy, light, airy, just very all around cute. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. If you have not subscribed but you have watched 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, what you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe, become part of the family, and hit that bell to be notified each and every time your girl posts a new video. Once you subscribe, hit that bell so you'll be notified. And that is all I have for y'all. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram down here. My Instagram name is down here, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.